Hey everybody, we're going to learn how to properly roll the paper tubes for our paper tube sculpture project. As you can see here, I have a pile of some well-rolled, high-quality paper tubes, and I'm going to show you how to start that with a sheet from a magazine. It could also be from a catalog or an old book. Once you rip out the paper, you'll notice that there's a ripped edge. That's the edge we're going to hide inside the tube. So this is the corner where the ripped edge is that we're going to fold. Now you notice that this page has a beautiful yellow color, so I would like that to show on the outside, so I have to flip it over, because as I roll, the yellow will be exposed. So I'm going to take my ripped corner, I'm going to fold it to make an equal triangle about the height of maybe half of my finger. And then I can start pinching tightly and rolling diagonally to the opposite corner. If it's hard for you to start that way, grab a wooden dowel that I've cut, lay it on top of the triangle, pinch, and start rolling. This will give you a nice, very tight tube with a narrow diameter, which will be great for the tube sculptures and have a lot of strength. If you plan on making the rings or the spirals, it's a little bit easier when they're not as tight. So you can let go a tiny bit to make it a little looser, or just hand roll. You don't have to use the stick. As you roll, do not let go, because that will make it so you have to re-roll the whole thing and waste a little bit of time. As you get to that last corner, it should be about an equal sided isosceles triangle. So if you're not ending with an equal-sided isosceles triangle a little bit towards the center of your tube, it's going to be lopsided. You also want to make sure your tube is even and not a cone shape. Take your glue stick, run it exactly right over the edge of your corner, and make sure you have a clean sheet of printed paper under you, recycled paper. Roll it and hold it for 15 to 20 seconds, 30 if it's very thick paper like a cover. Take the tube out, the little wooden stick, hold your tube, like I said, for another 15-20 seconds, and you'll get a really nice, strong paper tube. What I like to do is then use this paper for my next tube, roll it up, put a clean sheet underneath, and glue, and that'll keep your table surface nice and neat. You should be making 50 of these paper tubes for the project. You'll need minimum 25. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.